Welcome to DynaMaker Features History. Do you want to review what you worked on last month, or restore a function that suddenly stopped working? In DynaMaker, every change made in the editor is automatically saved, making it easy to go back and restore previous code. In every DynaMaker editor, whether it's the user interface, a drawing, or a component, you can access the history at any time from the top right corner. This list here, organized by date, shows every single change saved in the editor, even down to a single character. By default, the first entry labeled Currently Open represents the latest version of the editor, including who made the change and when. Any other version can be opened for inspection only, without displaying its visualization. When viewing an older version of an editor, you can always return to the latest version from the top, making it quick and convenient to restore specific parts of your code using simple copy and paste. Do you want to know more? Check our documentation at docs.dynamaker.com.